Hi students, we are going to try a brand new concept for chapter 12 and it's called the flipped classroom. The way that a flipped classroom works is that the lecture will be done at night instead of during the class period, and the homework that you typically would do at night will now be done during the class period, and that's why it's called a flipped classroom. So the way this is going to work is that there will be a set of videos that you will be assigned to listen to at night. Each of those videos should be less than 3 minutes, and you'll probably have no more than 3 or 4 videos to watch per night. For each of the videos, there are things that you will need to do. Your homework during each of the videos is to take notes. Whenever you see the word notes, you will need to have your notebook available, and you will need to write down the notes that I have right here next to my note sign. Those notes should be in your notebook so that during class period you have them in a place that you'll be able to take a look at them, so that when we're doing and working through our homework problems in class, you will be able to take your notes out and look at them and reference them. The next thing that we will do is you will need to write down any of the example problems that I do. So after you take the notes down, I'll explain the notes and we'll work through 1 to 2 example problems. You will need to write these example problems in your notebook as well. After each of the example problems that I do in a video, I will ask you to do one problem by yourself. And the nice thing about having this on video is that you can pause and rewind and watch me go through the problems step by step, so that when you do these problems by yourself, the example problem by yourself, you can work through those and see exactly what I did on the example problem, so you can repeat that same process on the problems that I'm asking you to do at night. Next, you will have to write down, for instance, if you didn't understand fully the concept, it'll be your job to write down any questions that you have that you want to ask in class. So overall, your job is to listen to the lecture, to take notes during the video presentations, and to do an example problem that I assign after each of the videos. And that's pretty much what we'll do for a flipped classroom. At the end of chapter 12, we'll go ahead and take a survey and see how well you like the flipped classroom. If you don't like it, we can always return back to a traditional classroom, but if this is something that you really like, then we can continue doing a flipped classroom for the rest of the year. So have fun with it. Let me know what you think of it at the end of chapter 12, and we'll go from there.